Welcome to the HUAWEI channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the navigation ball on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Your navigation or assistive ball is of course this little ball right here. On HUAWEI it's called something different. To turn it off, open settings through the shortcut here, or if you don't have it, scroll down and open settings through this little button. In settings, scroll all the way down to System and Updates. Here click on System Navigation at the top and click on More at the bottom. Here you can see the navigation dock toggle. That's how the navigation ball called on the HUAWEI. Turn it off, and now it's turned off. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HUAWEI channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.